Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and I gotta tell you something. Two of my favorite dishes I'm gonna combine into one. Curry chicken and chicken and dumplings for a curry chicken and dumplings is so good, so comforting, and also very easy to make. Let me show you how we do it. So first, to get started, I have some chicken thighs. So what I wanna do is just cube up my chicken thighs. These are boneless and skinless chicken thighs. Just like bite-sized kind of pieces. And then I'm gonna drop them into this bowl and we're gonna get this seasoned up. So the first thing in is going to be some curry powder. So I've got fresh thyme that I'm going to strip the leaves off. I've got some kosher salt, some fresh cracked black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder as well. And then just before I mix this all together, let's add in a few of my favorites. Okay, this is my interpretation. So I got some celery. All right, here's some onion. All right, here's the bell pepper. She always used it in her chicken and dumplings. So guess what I'm gonna do? The same thing my grandmother taught me how to do. I do wanna add some heat. I couldn't find Scotch bonnets. So I'm gonna use habanero, but habaneros are very, very spicy. I wanna take these carrots really quickly, but we will put the carrots into the dish. So I've got some fresh ginger root, because what you'll do is you'll use a spoon just to peel off the flesh of the ginger. Oh, it's super juicy, look at that. With the gloves on, give this a good mix. And this is why I say this is great if this marinates, because all of the flavors of the onion, the bell pepper, the celery will get in here, permeate, and just be really, really, really good. I got a pan on the stove that's nice and hot. In go the oil, all right? And in go all of this delicious marinated chicken and vegetables. Okay, look at our curry chicken, man. You see how we got all that good flavor on the bottom? That's what you want. I'm gonna add in a bunch of garlic. And as I add that water, I'm just gonna scrape the bottom of the pan just to make sure I try to get up those little bits on the bottom. Let's add in a little bit of chicken bouillon. And then I'm gonna drop in some carrots. As you can see, our curry chicken is looking really, really nice, right? The carrots are starting to get nice and soft. That chicken is cooking all the way, or has cooked all the way through. The vegetables are there. Smells good. I'm gonna rip apart some biscuits, regular refrigerated biscuits, and just drop those right in there. And I'm gonna lower the heat to a simmer. That way, our dumplings now get an opportunity to cook up in this delicious broth. They're gonna absorb all that good flavor. Ooh, look at this. Come on now. My non-West Indian grandmother would be so proud of this dish. The whole house smells amazing. So good, so rich. Really simple recipes on the table in no time. The recipe, you know where to find it. On the website, it's good. I can stop eating it. On the website, DariusCooks.tv. There's two things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. It's my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking.